Hey everyone, this is a clean that me and Matthew are doing down in Aldershot, 2-day job. And yeah, I'll show you around. Basically, we're on the second day now. What I've got is a load of commercial units, the bottom of all these flats in the high street, redeveloped. So we've got to clean all these. Me and Matthew have actually gone over these. We've used Synergy Pro out the 45 litre trolley on a sprayer. And we've gone through, they're pretty filthy in some areas. We're going to have to go around obviously a second time when they dry out. We've got all these shop fronts here. Basically anyone with a sign like that we've got to clean. We haven't started on these ones yet. Pretty tall, filthy. But Synergy Pro is awesome. Walking around is probably going to take a while. It's just the lower level ones, it's not the upper windows. There are 11 windows we've got to do going up. Basically all the way up to where that guy's in the high vis is what we're doing. And then we've got the courtyard. And the courtyard is some clips that you'll see me and Matthew doing. We did them yesterday. That area's all done, but bizarrely they've got a guy coming in who's doing a bit of cement work, so we'll be going back around recleaning them again because obviously he's going to make a bit of a mess, but it's just the way it is. It's all got to be done by Monday. Today is Friday, so me and Matthew come down for a Thursday, Friday job. The mayor's opening up to have a look on the Monday, so yeah, nothing different to being in the military. While I was working on this project, because there's different projects here, guys to show me his load of flats and wants me to put a quote in to cleaning the windows twice a year. So I'll show you them. Okay, start from the edge there. Don't know if you can see. There's 7 floors of windows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, well, 6 floors, but it's 7 floors high. So I'm guessing I'm probably going to need a 70-foot pole. It's basically everything from where my finger is, the left, all the way across to the right, minus the bottom windows, which are going to be commercial units. So yeah, all these. I'm going to get some pictures so I can try and price it up. It's a bit busy. The early morning start, I think, to clean the front. Sorry, mate. Yeah. Basically, it's all the way up to here where I'm going with my finger, all those windows. And I think they've got abseiling guys actually to do the top 2 floors of windows, so I might not have to do them. But I might as well put a quote in for the whole lot and also a different one minus them. If it's doable. It's not something I've done before, but I'll get some advice, see what happens. I'll let you know. This is the back of the building that they want me to quote. So it's all the windows on the left-hand side. All these windows that you can see. Top and bottom. Around there. And it continues round to about where my finger is there. So run down at the job, cleaned all of this. All these windows. Basically any commercial building with these signs. And then also these commercial units here, which are all over the whole building, down the side. All the ones pictured here. These commercial units here, which with the blue frames. This commercial unit, large bit of glass, and the glass in the walkway. Cleaned all these windows on the commercial unit as well. Basically all the commercial units along on the left on the street here.
Yeah. That'll be fine. So, yeah, right up for that one.
Now it's been a bit funny trying to clean these because I've had a lot of people doing pressure washing, getting dirty what I've cleaned, so I had to come and re-clean it. Yeah, and all this commercial unit here, all around this side's what we started this morning. And there's more. There's been workmen out the front. Got to redo these windows. And this is the last one here. Hello everyone, it's the day after the Aldershot job. Now someone's paying me to do a job, not make YouTube videos, so I was concentrating on the job. Plus it was just all hands to the deck and just one of them military ways of doing stuff. This is the job, make it happen. So you're just doing whatever you could, but by the end of the day it was all done and everyone was happy and impressed, hopefully. What it's cost me is obviously 2 days work. I've had to shift my schedule along, but I said I can do that. I've had to pay for the fuel, obviously, to get there and back. That's about 250 miles, so what, a third of a tank? So you're probably talking 30, 35 quid. Because it's an overnighter, I need to pay for a room, so that's a Premier Inn for me and Matthew, and with breakfast. If you round it up, it's like 80 quid. And then thankfully for me, there's a spotless water there, so I was able to use them. It was a 5-minute drive from the job site, so that was handy. And I used them twice and I spent a total of £38.13p. So not too bad overall really. And it definitely paid the job, so if I'd quoted it, it'd probably be terrible. The job went all right, it went well. We were doing lots of re-cleaning stuff because you had other workmen coming in, cleaning or doing their thing, messing up what I've done, so I had to re-clean it. But for me anyway, when you're cleaning these it's like a builder's clean basically, but not as bad as some builder's cleans you can get. You're going to clean something, you're going to have to re-go over it again anyway. So that's what I was saying to Matthew, we'll clean stuff, let it dry, recheck, clean it, let it dry until it's clean. And that's basically how we've done it. So it didn't matter that I had to re-clean stuff anyway. It's just that you're waiting for someone to finish in order to be able to re-clean it, that was all. But, you know, it got done. So yeah, I enjoyed it, it was worth it, it's different. And you just don't know, you have to think on your feet. I mean, one of the problems we had was the X-Line trolley, the Rectus 21 male fitting on the like tubeless system. I think it got stuck, something's wrong with it, it wouldn't lock onto my pole properly. Whether it's down to the chemical or it's just the bit is a bit worn plus the chemical. So to get around that, we just used a window cleaning bucket with some water with the right ratio of Synergy Pro, dipped the brush in there and applied it to the window that way. In fact, we found it quicker, and we're just dealing with lower windows though, mind. And yeah, it worked just as well. Synergy Pro definitely brilliant on the first clean, say, of a window, and then we just water fed pole the rest when we just re-cleaned and re-cleaned. Didn't get many rundowns, so that was good. We like that. And yeah, job done. The whole place is on a deadline. It's being handed over to someone after the complex has been built. So that's why everyone's rushing a bit and everyone's on top of each other really. And then the mayor's opening it on Monday. And hopefully everyone will be happy. Fingers crossed. Anyway, thanks for watching. YouTube will stick a video somewhere there for you to watch next. Like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff, as it helps. And catch you on the next one.